and how to switch up your health choices.
There's a right way to do it and a wrong way to do it.
Today, on an all-new episode of The Doctors.
Today we're asking the question, should you switch up your health choices? Our next guest is a woman who decided to switch out her doctor to correct her less than perfect plastic surgery.
Exercise alone has not given me the results on my body shape that I've wanted. So I said, well, I'm going to just go ahead and try liposuction. It wasn't for any weight loss. It was wanting to have more of a feminine waistline, have a flatter stomach. After the liposuction, I was not as satisfied as I was hoping to be. I could see a ridge on my abdomen area, some contouring waviness around my abdomen. I have some incision scars right in the middle of my back. About a year after the procedure, the physician told me there was really nothing more that he could do. So I lived with the dissatisfaction every day, trying to hide it with slimming garments. When I heard about the new technologies, I was really hoping that I could correct some of the issues that I have. Dr. Bogovic specializes in micro-body contouring.
Dawn is actually a perfect candidate for this type of procedure. And essentially, I'll be using the Botched, which is a water-assisted liposuction machine. It's sort of one of the latest technologies in fat removal and body contouring.
Okay, Dawn, so I'm going to start removing the fat from your lower abdomen, that little shelf you have, okay?
My goal is to even it out as much as possible to correct some of the areas on the abdomen where more fat was taken than others.
She does have a lot of scar tissue, but as you can see, there is fat that's coming out in a nice, even fashion. This will give her a much more hourglass figure.
I'm definitely looking forward to the after, when it's looking good and feeling good.
Joining us now is Dawn and her new plastic surgeon, Dr. Catherine Bogovic. Nice to have you.
Welcome. Doctor, good to see you. Dawn, welcome.
Hi, thank you.
So obviously in this scenario, you were dissatisfied and you changed things around a little bit. We saw in the video and you're very happy with your results.
I'm very pleased, yeah. So you'll see from the after pictures.
Let's take a look at those. Let's take a look at your befores and your afters. And Dr. Bogovic, take us through. It looks like you removed fat that wasn't removed and smoothed things out.
Right. You know, basically, it just took a lot of surgical planning and mapping out. You know, at Phoenix, we use the latest technology, which is the Botched, which uses water. And so, sort of with that technology, it made it easy to blend in some of the different pockets of fat. And, I mean, there's actually more pictures where you can't even see, but her back, her waistline is just very hourglassed, whereas before it was sort of up and down.
A very, very nice result. And, you know, I think the take-home is do your homework before going into any elective plastic surgery, but understand that revisions are sometimes necessary, and
they're challenging, you know, and the main thing, like, as you know, is, you know, just making sure that a patient has realistic expectations, because, you know, I told Dawn, I said, it's going to be really hard, there's going to be a lot of scar tissue. You know, I told her I'd do everything that I could to really, you know, make it as best as I could, but we went in and everything worked out, and she looks fabulous.
Look great.
Amazing.
Dr. Bogovic, thank you so much, Dawn. Thank you for sharing the story with us.
Thank you.